Imagine this, you are coding and suddenly an AI step in, edit multiple files across your project, generate a full plan and waits for your approval before making any change. Yep, Google just dropped a game changer for developer. Introducing Gemini Code Assist Agent Mode. Let's dive in. So Google is now seriously stepping into the agentic code market. They launched the Gemini CLI just recently and now boom! Gemini Code Assist is going agentic too. Yes, because just today Google pushed out a brand new update introducing something called Agent Mode, now available as a public preview inside the chat interface for individuals. I've been testing it and honestly, it's pretty cool. So let's break it down. What's new, how it works, and how you can start using it today. Previously, this was under a private preview, but now anyone can try it. Agent Mode is basically a way to use Gemini Code Assist as a collaborative AI pair programmer. Kinda like how Claude or Rook could work. Here's how it functions. You can give it complex, multi-step tasks. Before it does anything, it generates a full execution plan for you to review. You can edit, request change, approve or deny any part the plan. Nothing happens to your code base until you approve it. You stay in control. Now here's the cool part. For the first time, multi-file editing support is here. In Agent Mode earlier, Gemini Code Assist could only works in a single file at a time. But now it can make change across your entire code base at once based on your prompt. So whether you are doing large-scale refactoring or adding a feature that touching multiple files, Agent Mode's got you covered. And if you want to undo the change, there's also revert options to roll back your files to their earlier state. This is super to how other agentic coders like Claude or Rook could work. Another big update, Agent Mode now understand your full project context, which means it can analyze your entire code base, pull in necessary files and fold automatically, provide smarter and more context-aware code suggestion. It understands your project structure, dependency, and even your coding patterns better now, which means better, more relevant suggestion for you behind the scenes. It actually uses many of the same tools as Gemini CLI, like the Gemini MD files for context and memory. And it also integrates MCP just like Gemini CLI does. So if you have set up MCP for Gemini CLI, this Agent Mode will automatically use that setup too. Alright, so now how do you actually enable the Agent Mode in your VS Code and extension also? So as a beginning time, you can't see the Agent Mode in your extensions. So first of all, you have to update or install the latest versions like Gemini Code Assist extension, the latest version. After update and install, so you wanna go in command prompt. So after giving command prompt, you want to actually write in here like preference, you open user settings suggestions. So yeah, click on that. So after click on that, you want to actually add this line, Gemini AI Code Assist dot update channel insiders. So you want to add this line in this file. So after add, you have to actually save this file. Control S, and after save, so you have to actually close this VS Code, and then after that you want to actually reopen. So when you will reopen the VS Code, so this time you can see this Agent Mode in here, and then you can enable the Agent Mode Look at this. Woohoo! Boom! After actually enable agent mode, so you will get some some like when you click the slash, this time you will see this some comments like agent comments like MCP and about. So right now I'm in my to-do application project. So this is my to-do application project. Okay, so I will use it. I will give the one example. How can I use it? For example, I will add the dark mode in my to-do applications. So and then I will give the comment add dark mode and options in this app. So so when actually click when actually give this prompt, so this time say they will scan the whole project. So after scanning the whole projects, so he will actually edit this code. Okay, here right now thinking about dark mode options. First of all, I read layout, he read that and he scan it, and then after he actually ask for the permissions. So yeah, I am giving the ask for the permissions. So and after the permissions, he will work on that. Cool. And there is also that and that will be properly work like client and record. So this is awesome, bro. Like I'm giving the permissions. They will edit, they will scan first, then they will edit it, and then they will change and they will actually do it, bro. This is awesome and I really love it. If I say my right now feelings, the first release as in mode feels super impressive. So yes, it's still not details as tools like client, and yes, there are some limitations. So yeah, I know that optimized tools are right now, so they are not work properly. They actually give some, so they are not work properly, but also they're doing very well as the beginning times. So overall, so you will get the more control, more context, and multi-file support and multi-free for now. So if you actually own free tiers, this is a must try, bro. Just remember, Google Docs use data from this training purpose, and so keep in this mind. But honestly, for the most individual developer, this is a solid upgrade, and this is a solid upgrade to anyone. So but what do you think about this? Drop thought in your comments and like this video. And if you want more updates on like AI coding tools, you can actually subscribe our channel. Thank you for that.